Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing tutorial for you. If you are looking for a fast, secure, and reliable internet connection, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and configure it on the NPV Tunnel app. This setup can help you understand how V2Ray server configurations work and how to import them into a VPN tunneling application. Before we start, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends for more useful tutorials. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, find the official UDP Custom website and open it. This is the platform we will use to create our V2Ray Slow DNS server account. Once you are on the UDP Custom homepage, look for the menu button, usually located at the top corner of the website. Tap on the menu button to open the available options. From the menu, select V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This option will take you to the server creation page, where you can generate your V2Ray server account. Now, select your preferred server location from the available options. After choosing the location, you will be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter your desired username, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and click on the Create Now button. Wait a few seconds, and your V2Ray server details will be generated automatically. Your VMess configuration will appear on the screen. It is important to remember that some VPN applications allow only one server account at a time. In this tutorial, we are focusing on creating and importing a V2Ray VMess configuration, so make sure to copy and save your server details for future use. Now, let's move to our device setup. Open the Google Play Store and search for NPV Tunnel. Tap on the application and click the Install button. Wait until the installation process is completed. After installation, click the Open button to launch the app. You will now see the NPV Tunnel home screen. On the bottom menu, tap on the Config option. A new configuration interface will open. Now, tap on the plus button located at the top right corner. A small window will appear with different options. Select Import from Clipboard. Another menu will open. From here, choose the V2Ray config option. Within a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server configuration will be imported successfully. After importing the configuration, go back to the main screen. Tap on the Log button to check the connection status. If everything is configured correctly, the app will start connecting to your V2Ray server. Wait until the connection is established successfully. Now your V2Ray VMess configuration is ready to use with NPV Tunnel. So, there you have it. In this tutorial, we learned how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the NPV Tunnel app step by step. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to understand. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.